Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to auto split scenes for videos in CapCut. So once you're inside CapCut and you drag a video onto your timeline, you no longer have to go through and watch the video to split those scenes. You can easily go ahead and have those scenes automatically split for you. And once you drag that video onto your timeline, guys, now all you have to do is just simply right click on that video and you will see the option that says split scenes. So go ahead and click on that, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna detect all of those scenes and automatically split them for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now as you can see here in my video, it detected 2 scenes, and if your video is showing multiple scenes, it will go ahead and detect all of those scenes. So if I go ahead and hover over my video here, you can see I'm showing 1 scene here, and then it changes, and so it automatically make a split. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.